Hi, good evening everyone. 26th of April, Wednesday night. Pretty late actually, it's almost 10 p.m. I would say bullish and choppy for the Nifty as per today's trade. We have an outside bar, that's an higher high, and a lower low on a day-to-day time frame. The underlying short-term trend lives. The underlying short-term trend is still up. Momentum is also intact. We did talk about the fact that previous day's low should get broken, and that's exactly what happened today, just by a little margin, and then it bounced back pretty sharp. So towards the close of the day, the Nifty claimed that it's still fairly bullish, both in terms of the trend as well as the underlying momentum. Now, it's actually these kind of moves that start to create divergences. It's way too early to call them divergence, but we should not completely let go of them. It's a possibility. The bearish engulfing which got created end of last week is yet to get triggered. So the bullishness should stay, and we should maintain a cautiously bullish stance on the overall markets. BankNifty, similar kind of a show of strength, but it's a little interesting chart than Nifty. One, because we have an early sign of a negative divergence shaping up. Again, not confirmed yet, but there's a possibility. Number two, what we have on the daily time frame over here based on the last two bars is a last engulfing. This looks like a bullish engulfing, which should actually take a shape after a downtrend. But when they take a shape at the top or after an uptrend, they can lead to a top. They can. And the confirmation of this prospective possible top is only if the Bank Nifty breaks below today's low, closes below today's low, which is around 42,400. So as long as 42,400 holds, bullishness of Bank Nifty stays. If Bank Nifty breaks 42,400 and stays below it, then you clearly can expect further downside. In terms of stocks, Cummins and Rain are the two stocks which are on the verge of a prospective move on the upside. Cummins, essentially, we are looking at this breakout from the 75-minute time frame. Short-term trend has turned well. Momentum is intact over here, and we can expect some fresh upsides from this particular stock tomorrow. Rain, on the other hand, is another stock which is showing some signs of a revival. It's back to its previous high. So essentially, any move above today's high would mean a breakout on the upside. Metals, I still feel is still little under pressure, and none other than Tata Steel. Thanks to this move, the short-term trend has turned down, and any break below today's low can bring in some bit of a weakness.